Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook page using your Android phone. It's easy and simple. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to locate the Facebook app on your phone. Then you tap on it. So once it opens, you're going to go to these three lines here. You tap on the three lines. So next, you're going to see your pages. That is if you have a page, okay? So as you guys can see, I have pages here. Your pages, tap on it. Then next, you're going to see, these are the page, your pages. It's going to appear here. But what you're looking for is to create the page, another new page. So what you're going to do here is to go to create. Then you tap on create. Once it opens, you're going to type your page name here. Okay, so then you go to next. All right, then choose your category. Okay, you choose your category. A category will help people find this page in search result. You can add up to 3, right? But here are the popular categories, right? So let's choose any. So we can say community, because here I want to bring together a community of women, right? You can say community. So let's choose community center, right? Community center. Let's leave it at that. Next, you go to create, you tap on create. Like the create button now will be highlighted, then you tap on create. So here, success, you've created women and moms. Do you understand? Now add more details to help people connect to you. So here you're going to add, what your page is all about. You're going to describe your page here. Here you add your website if you have any. Here you add your email. You add your number. Then here you add your location. That is your address, your city or town, and here you add your zip code. Then here you can, tick on all this here. So after that, you go to next. So here is the page here, women and moms, right here. So here, what you're going to do here is to add your profile picture. When you tap on this camera icon here, you add your profile picture here. You're going to add your page picture or something like that, right? So once that is done, you go to next. Stay informed about your page. Turn on this feature to help make the most of women and moms. You can change them anytime. All right. So here, page notification on your profile. So if you want to get page notification, you can turn this on. If you don't want it, you can turn it off like this, right? But if you want it, you just turn it on. Then after that, you click on done. There is the page we just created, as you guys can see. Like you can add a photo of yourself or so friends can find you, right? So this is your page photo, this is your profile photo, right? And as you guys can see, here is the page you just created, 0 likes with 0 following. So this is our page now. This is a brand new page, right? So this is how you can create a Facebook page using your phone. Okay, hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.